The surprising benefits of nature walks. Datik Anta. Soft music playing. Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Vortex. In today's video, we're uncovering 3 surprising benefits of taking a walk in nature. Let's jump right in. Benefit 1. Boosts mental health. Scene: scenic park view. First up, nature walks can significantly boost your mental health. Studies show that spending just 20 minutes outdoors can lower stress and anxiety levels. The sights and sounds of nature help ground you, making it easier to unwind and recharge. Benefit 2. Sparks creativity. Scene: person sketching or writing in a notebook while walking. Next, did you know that walking in nature can spark your creativity? Researchers found that walking boosts creative thinking by up to 60%. So if you're facing a creative block, head outside for a stroll and let the ideas flow. Benefit 3. Improves physical health. Scene: people walking briskly along a trail. Finally, let's talk about physical health. Walking in nature is not only good for your mind, but also for your body. It helps improve cardiovascular health, boosts your immune system, and can even enhance your mood thanks to the endorphins released during exercise. Conclusion. Scene: beautiful sunset. So there you have it. Nature walks can boost your mental health, enhance creativity, and improve your physical well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite nature spots in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Fade out with soft music. Fade out with